Hi everybody, in this video we will explain how to create a project. We will see two types of projects. The first one which consists in taking over the demo AI, and the second one which consists in starting from scratch. First of all, let's take the demo AI project. For that, click right in this area, then New, and choose Chain Reaction AI Project. Then choose a name. Here we'll leave the original one. Then click on Finish. Wait a minute, and the project is created. We can see here in Models the demo AI process. Now let's take a project from scratch. Do the same steps as before. Right click, New, but choose New Process, this one. Now you have to choose a directory, so Browse, click on New AI Project, and Modules. Okay, and now you have to choose a name, for example, Tests, and click on Finish, then Basic. Now, have fun, you can create your new AI. One important thing, if you have the problem of having null as an attribute type, go see another video that explains how to solve it. Thanks for watching.